Hello everyone. Do you want to learn Hiligaynon? Then I will teach you the easy way to learn Hiligaynon like a native. Now, let's start with the basics. I will teach you how to greet. Now, greetings means tamyaw, tam yaw, and response means sabat, sabat. So today I will teach you how to greet someone and how you respond to their greetings. How do you say good morning? In Hiligaynon, we say maayong aga. Maayong aga. And the formal way for you to respond, you can say maayong aga man sa imo. Maayong aga man sa imo, which translates good morning to you too. Now, the informal way to say maayong aga man. Maayong aga man, which translates to good morning too. So this is how we say maayong aga. Maayong aga man sa imo. Or maayong aga man. How do we say good afternoon? We say maayong ugto. Maayong ugto. The formal way to respond, maayong ugto man sa imo. Maayong ugto man sa imo. Which translates to good afternoon to you too. Now, the informal way, you can say maayong ugto man. Maayong ugto man, which translates to good afternoon too. So this is how we say maayong ugto, and how you respond, maayong ugto man sa imo. Maayong ugto man. Now, how do we say late afternoon? So you can say this around 4 to 5 p.m. In Hiligaynon, we say this as maayong hapon. Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon. And the formal way to respond, you can say maayong hapon man sa imo. Maayong hapon man sa imo, or translates to good afternoon to you too. Now, the informal way, you can say maayong hapon man. Maayong hapon man. That's how we say. For example, maayong hapon. And the way you respond, maayong hapon man sa imo. Maayong hapon man. Now, how do we say good evening? We say maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. And the formal way to respond, maayong gabi man sa imo. Maayong gabi man sa imo, which means good evening to you too. Now, the informal way, you can say maayong gabi man. Maayong gabi man. It means good evening too. This is how we say maayong gabi. And this is how you respond. Maayong gabi man sa imo, or maayong gabi man. Now, how do we say how are you? In Hiligaynon, we say Kamusta? Kamusta? Or, kamusta ikaw? Kamusta ikaw? Kamusta ikaw? And the formal way to say, okay lang. Ikaw? Okay lang. Ikaw? Which means, I'm fine. And you? This is the informal way to respond. So, if you're friend with this person or you are close with this person, you can say something like this. However, if you are not close with the person, do not say this because this is only for a close friend. This is how you say, Ari buhi pa man. Ari buhi pa man, which translates to still alive or I'm still alive. So when someone say, kamusta? Ari buhi pa man. So that's the informal way to respond to your friend. Or you could also say something like this. Amo man Japon. Amo man Japon. Or amo man gihapon. Amo man gihapon. Which translates to still the same or same as always. For example, kamusta? Amo man Japon. Or amo man gihapon. So this one, informal. So you always need to know who you are talking to. So this one, you need to do this if you are close with a person. However, you can do this in a casual conversation. How to say thank you in formal way? We say, madamo gid na salamat. Madamo gid na salamat. And the formal way to respond, we say, madamo man na salamat. Madamo man na salamat. Or you could also say, salamat gid. Salamat gid, which translates to thank you so much as well. Informal, you can say, salamat. Salamat. And the informal way to respond, salamat man. Salamat man, which means thank you too. Or you could say, wala problema. Wala problema, which translates to no problem. So this is how we say, salamat. Salamat man. Or wala problema. So informal, we say, madamo gid na salamat. You could respond, madamo man na salamat. Or salamat gid. How do you say salamat with your closest friend? So if you say salamat, you could say daw sa lain ka imo ya. Daw sa lain ka imo ya. Daw sa lain ka imo ya. That's how you say. It translates to, it's not like you're a different person. If you want more, like and subscribe to my video channel. Thank you and salamat na madamo!